It was an ordinary summer afternoon when the ice cream truck beloved by children suddenly took off like a rocket, leaving a trail of giggles and astonishment in its wake. The driver, Mr. Jenkins, had accidentally pressed the gas too hard while trying to serve a particularly eager customer, and now chaos reigned on the streets. The scene grew more absurd as the ice cream truck zigzagged through the neighborhood, leaving a trail of laughter and bewilderment behind. As laughter echoed through the streets, everyone scrambled to join the impromptu chase, turning a simple ice cream run into an unforgettable adventure. Finally, with a screeching halt, the wild ride ended at the local park, where jubilant children swarmed around the truck like bees to honey. Despite the chaotic journey, Mr. Jenkins emerged with a grin, ready to serve up cold treats and laughter, celebrating the unexpected adventure. As the delicious ice cream flowed freely, friendships blossomed in the park, uniting everyone in a sweet moment of delight. The park transformed into a hub of happiness where smiles were exchanged, and the world seemed to melt away like ice cream on a hot day. In the midst of the fun, Mr. Jenkins decided to unveil a mysterious new flavor, tempting everyone with the sweet promise of a delicious discovery. The allure of Galaxy Delight captured the imagination of everyone present, sparking excitement and conversation about what flavors awaited within that shimmering scoop. With bated breath, children lined up to taste the whimsical concoction, eager to uncover the secrets that made it so enchanting. As the first tastes hit their tongues, gasps of delight echoed through the park, with each child experiencing a unique journey through the mysterious flavor. The park was alive with joy as laughter and chatter filled the air, each child reveling in their own flavor adventure, united by the magic of ice cream. As the sun began to set, it painted the sky with hues of orange and purple, mirroring the excitement felt in every heart at the park. With the day drawing to a close, the ice cream truck became a backdrop for memories filled with laughter and the sweet essence of summer fun.